Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your HUAWEI FreeArc on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write AI Life. Now search and you should install this application. Select the region, and I'm not recommended to use United States. And then click Next. Next. Agree. We did it! Now we're in low here. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!